In this demo, I'm going to be mainly covering the deep or intrinsic muscles of the back. They will mainly focus on three muscle groups, and they are the splenius muscle, the erector spinae muscle, and the transversal spinalis muscles. The splenius muscle is V-shaped. They go superlaterally from the midline to attach on the head or neck, and hence the name splenius capitis. Cap means head, like a baseball cap, and splenius cervicus. Cervical indicate the neck. The actions of the splenius muscles are to extend or ipsilaterally rotate the head. And the next group of muscles are the erector spinae. You can see here in the picture, they are divided into three main muscle columns. The ilia costalis, as its name suggests, it goes from the ilium to the ribs. And longissimus, it attaches along the transverse processes of the thoracic region up to the cervical region, and all the way up to the masseter process of the temporal bone. It is the longest muscle column, hence its name longissimus. And last, the spinalis muscles mainly attaches at the spinous processes in the thoracic region all the way to the cranium. So when these muscles contract as a group, it keeps the spine in an erect position. In other words, the most important function of the erector spinae group is to maintain posture. Besides, it also aids in the extension of the spine. It helps stand you up from like a bow position. The last group I'll cover is the transversal spinalis muscles. The name indicates they arise from the transverse processes to attach to the spinous processes. It subdivides into three muscles, the semispinalis, the multifidus, and the rotadoris. They all kind of sound like gladiators, like Spartacus. Anyhow, semi suggests the muscle is semi on the spine and semi on the skull. And the multifidus muscles is mainly located in the lower back. They arise from the sacrum and attach to the spinous processes about 2 to 4 levels superiorly. And the rotadoris muscles arise from the transverse process and attach to the spinous process 1 or 2 vertebrae levels above. The actions of the transversal spinalis muscle is mainly to maintain posture, although also aids in the lateral rotations of the spine. In addition, the rotadoris also provides proprioception so that we know where our vertebrae columns are. And lastly, the innervation to all the deep muscles are from the dorsal rami on each spinal level.